Hey everybody, welcome back to the video series where you watch me get funded by Apex Trading. Market's been closed here for a few hours, and let's just jump in and go through the trades for the day. Starting off on the daily chart, we're still kind of finding resistance up into this daily supply zone. We've been pushing up kind of since last October. We've been making higher highs, higher lows on the daily, pushing up, curling up, and then finally seeing a bit of resistance up here. Nice sell-off in the last couple days and hitting some hourly and daily demand zones. So let's jump down to the hourly chart here and just check out what's going on. So this zone here, coming all the way back from, what's that, June 12th. It's kind of our major demand zone here. I guess you could also say that technically speaking, this is a bit of a demand zone here. Oh, let's get the right color. Do the blue for demand zone. You could say that potentially that is demand zone there as well, but let's just get rid of that for now. So supply zones above from the overnight pre-market session, and then that's kind of in line with yesterday's range. You could say that this is another zone up here as well. Another supply zone. So this is that big daily range, hourly, 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 hourly demand, right? And then below we've got that daily demand here. So eventually I think we're going to come down and test this. Also, that would put us into kind of the daily uptrends here, right? If we take one more, we can do something like this. Oh, that one's already been broken. That might be why we got that big sell-off here. You know, people with swing trades break that upward trend line, stop out, right? That would cause some people to enter the market and, you know, sell their positions. Okay, so we've gone over the hourly. That's that daily trend that we just put on. And let's jump down to the 5-minute where I take my entries. Let's do a little text box here and we'll name these as we go. So that's trade 1. So push up, sell off into the hourly demand. Saw a nice kind of, where is this here? Let's get a horizontal line. A rotation through the low. We get a divergence as well on RSI. So I enter long there, take 2, 3 off kind of into, let's see, 4 to 6 points. Pull back again into this delta rotation area. We saw a really strong delta rotation here if you look at it on the footprints. Let me know if you'd like me to start showing those in these trade reviews. They definitely, you know, inform my trading decisions. So we bounce off that delta rotation. I take one more contract. So again, back up to 2 contracts total, take one off into 4 points. And then I take one more as we start to slow down towards the high a day here underneath this 1 hour supply. As you can see, it was a little premature. We pushed up. Unfortunately, this is how the trade was. So nice profitable trade with a good ad. Not complaining about that at all. So trade number 2, where's my little text tool again? Sorry for all the clicking around here. Let's go trade 2. This one. So this is a short. Oh, that's not what I want. I want the horizontal non-extending. So we sweep this previous high a day into the 1 hour supply. I'm looking for the short. We didn't have the RSI divergence on our side this time, but we did have a downtrending cumulative delta. Unfortunately, that one didn't work out. It kind of messed around up here for a little while, got stopped out. I think at one point I was maybe 1.5 points up on the trade over the course of like half an hour, 40 minutes. So kind of frustrating to watch that one. Stopped out where I needed to. That was it. That was the end of that trade. Small loss, no big deal. It was only 2 contracts, so half of my usual size because I didn't want to give back too much of my profits from the previous trade. Okay, again, pushing up into this next hourly demand zone from the overnight session. That would be this second one here, right? Come down. We see a higher low here, you know, continuing our uptrend on the 5 minutes like that. You know, we saw a little sweep of that area. I went to get long, took off 2 here, right? Stopped out break even. That's trade number 3. So let's mark that trade number 3 here. Trade number 3, that's this one. Stopped out break even. Again, I tried the same trade once more, entered too long, stopped out. Essentially the same trade. I was hoping that maybe we would see this big push up, didn't quite get there. So let's call that one trade 4. And then trade 5 here is the interesting one. Because of trade 4, let's just label this as it is. Mistaken orders. So I did not mean to take this trade at all. Here I was done for the day. Fortunately enough, this trade did go in my favor. We pushed up, hit a sell order that I had from this trade 4, and then hit a buy order. So I guess sometimes it works out, but that is not what I'm trying to do. I don't want to give myself credit for that trade. That was a mistake. I should have canceled those orders before walking away to go get a coffee and take my dog out, right? So in all, fairly good day. Let's take a look at where are all the screenshots for today. So let's look at the account summary, currently sitting at $50,582.85. You know, well, we're getting to our $3,000 profit target for the Apex account. You know, we're maybe 1/6 of the way there almost. We'll continue trading it. $181.97 in profit. Total commissions was $14.28. Not bad, right? You know, less than 10% of my my profit went towards commissions. Let's drop down and take a look at the trade breakdown. So here's the trade breakdown for the day. Trade 1, nice healthy profit, $151. Small loss, small win, small loss, and then small win on that last kind of mistaken order, fluke, whatever the hell you want to call that. It was just a total mistake on my part. This shouldn't even be included, but because it's part of the account, we're going to include it here in this video. And then let's look at our trade calendar. So week 1 of August is looking pretty good so far. I'm happy with this. I'm not sure what the running total is. I'll do that tomorrow. We'll do a running total for the week, but 3 green days in a row. We took more trades than we usually do today. I usually like to keep it around 3, but I had some small losses, so I kept trading. That's it. So if you are curious about how I trade, you can like and subscribe, and we'll continue going through all these trades for the evaluation process. If you're at all interested in Apex or trading with Apex and getting funded through their evaluation process like I'm doing here, you can check out the link below. That will be a little affiliate link. It'll give me a kickback for the channel. Let me keep doing what I'm doing here, but it'll also give you kind of the best discount that they have going on. Usually it's like 40, 50, sometimes 80% off for the recurring account fees. So you can go anywhere from $25,000 to $300,000 for their funded accounts. And you just have to go through the same evaluation process. Lastly, you can check out Twitter and Instagram down below. I don't post there as often, but I've been trying to put, you know, the trade breakdowns within Twitter, so you can check those out if you like to. So I hope you guys are having a good week of trading, staying green. Hope you had a good day of trading as well. Comment down below what trades you've taken, what instruments you're trading. I only trade the S&P 500 Futures. And so tune in tomorrow and we'll go through some more trades. I'll see you tomorrow.